జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Maricha and Ravana went to Dandakaranyam. They have reached Ramashramam. Ravana got down from the chariot and Maricha also got down, and then Ravana, while holding Maricha's hands, haste gruhitva Maricham, he is saying that Ravano Vakyam Abravit. Ravana is saying to Maricha like this: "O Mitrama, O my dear friend, there is Ramashramam. Look at that Ramashramam. Drusyate Kadalivrutam. It is filled up with so many banana trees. Oh Maricha, now let us start our work." Then immediately after listening to Ravana, Maricha took a form of deer, golden deer, Mrugo Bhutva. Then he went to Ashramadvari, went to Ramashramam, Vichacharaha. He started going here and there in front of Ramashramam. That deer is having so much beautiful glowing body. His face is glowing, his ears are glowing, his entire body is glowing. There are so many different gems, pearls like dots on the entire body. That lady can attract anyone's mind and anyone's eyes. Such beautiful lady Maricha took the form, and then along with other deers, Maricha started going here and there in front of Ramashramam with the glow, with the light which is coming out from the Maricha's body. The entire circumstances, entire premises of Ramashramam is also glowing. To that extent he is spreading the light. Now he is going slowly here and there in front of Ramashramam to cheat Sitamma, to delude Sitamma. This Maricha in the form of deer, along with other deers going here and there, because originally he is a demon. He is feeling like eating away all other deers, but he is suppressing all of his feelings, all of his original nature. In the form of deer, that Maricha going away from Ramashramam and coming back to Ramashramam and making his movement very slowly, making his movement in different postures so that Sitamma could be attracted. Like that he is making all kind of attempts in front of Ramashramam. Then our Sitamma Tasminneva tatah kale Vaidehi Subhalochana. Our Sitamma, who is very delicate, who has beautiful eyes, such Sitamma came out of that ashramam to pluck some flowers in the garden. While plucking the flowers, Sitamma slowly started going under. There are so many mango trees, going under those trees in order to pluck some more flowers. Sitamma plucking the flowers, and Sitamma delighted to see that deer, the deer which has gold and silver colors. Sitamma, the one who has Satam Ruchiradantoshti, beautiful teeth. Sitamma, the one who has beautiful lips. Now looking at that deer and amazed to see that deer. Sitamma looking at that deer with wide opened eyes. And also Maricha, the one who is in the form of deer, is now looking at Sitamma and moving around in order to attract Sitamma. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.